Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. Alright, looks like we are doing number 29 today. So if we start in this middle box here, looks like we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 9, 9 here, and no other help, so 3, 6, 3, 6. That means our 9 has to be here. For this row now, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4. Don't see any other help, so 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. That 5 makes this our 3, 5, and that 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.